Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking the void sticker for seams and lift points, because knowing how it's bonded saves time. Next, apply low heat with a hairdryer for 20–30 seconds to soften adhesive. Keep the dryer moving to avoid damage. Use a plastic card edge under a corner to create a steady gap. Once you see movement, don't yank. You want slow, even tension so the sticker peels without leaving embedded residue or tearing the label beneath. Once the edge is lifted, continue heating in short bursts and slide the card forward as you peel. This prevents sudden rips and reduces residue. Keep the card angle shallow, about 30 to 45 degrees, and pull evenly. If resistance rises, stop and reapply heat rather than increasing force. For adhesive left behind, dab a small amount of rubbing alcohol on a cloth and blot. Solve sticky patches before they spread. Make sure you finish by removing any residual adhesive. Apply isopropyl alcohol to a microfiber cloth and rub gently until the surface is clean, then dry thoroughly. Inspect the area for scratches or lifted print, and, if necessary, apply a conditioner or protective film recommended for that material. Once done, store tools and dispose of sticker scraps. If adhesive remains stubborn, reheat the spot and repeat the slow peel method. Patience and controlled heat are the key troubleshooting moves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.